everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have been dying to open these two things with you, but as always, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and most of Thursday is usually taken up by everything else in my life. So I am very excited to be here. Here goes Zoe Zoom Zoom. And I have two packages that I've received. So this little one, I don't know what store I got it from. I'll put it down below. But I just thought, tonight I wanted to just enjoy. I didn't look anything up, but I will definitely make sure it's down in the description for all of you. So, this I saw on AliExpress, and I had to get it. I think a lot of you, if you've been around my channel long enough, saw that I did a diamond painting with this subject matter for my coworker because it's her favorite. I know it's kind of a joke with our community, and I just liked it, so I had to get it because I'm a huge office supply person. And this is paper clips, and try to open it. I don't know how to open it. Let's see if I can use God's gift of breaking fingernails. Oh. Guys, how fun are these? Ooh, llamas! Llama paper clips. Too exciting, right? Looks like I have 1 star got thrown in here. But yeah, I just thought this was fun. I got it from AliExpress, and during their sale, I think it was a few cents off. So yeah, I just thought that was cool for work. So I will put down the store, the description down below. So thank you for having grace with me. And then this big thing, can you guys guess what this is? I am super excited. If you were in Rachel's premiere, I had said what it was. Or not Rachel's premiere, I'm sorry. I'm getting them mixed up because I was in both tonight. Stephanie Wolfpack. I said I received this, and I just haven't opened it yet. Kids, do not open boxes like this on your own. You'll slice your fingers off. So, super excited. And these boxes are strange. Okay, so it kinda is supposed to... Oh dear. Why does it have to be so difficult? All right. I'm just going to break the side of the box because I'm not going to keep the box. Again, I will put the store I bought it from. But this is, let's get rid of this, my A3 light pad. These are fun to keep for wrapping. Try to put it, I'm running out of space in my makeshift craft room. Ugh. So this I know was roughly $26. There were cheaper ones out there, but after talking with my husband, he's the techie, he works for a well-known computer company that will not be named. But I wanted to get, now an A3 is roughly the size of a 30 by 40 painting, okay? So keep that in mind if you're looking. I think an A4 is just like a 9 by 12. And I don't know the size of an A2. So this is copy board instructions, and I wanted to get one Aw, man, I'm gonna have to take a picture. I wanted to get one that was coming out so that it wouldn't hurt, but I'm gonna move you guys so you can see this. Look at that. See the red there? It's split. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to contact the company and ask them to send me another one. Yeah, because it's split right down to the wire. So it's not like I can put some, like the wire itself is actually split. So it's not like I can put some tape on it. I don't want to electrocute myself. But, oh, that's disappointing. So anyway, it has this cord, and then it has this connecting cord, and you stick these together, but because it's built into this, the stress of unplugging and plugging is in this wire, not out of the side of your light pad like a lot of us deal with. So I'm gonna have to contact them. I can't really plug it in. I don't have a plug right now because it's buried alive, and I don't want to plug it in for fear. Let me see. If I get electrocuted, it's on film, okay? You guys can sue the company. Oh wait, I didn't give you the description. All right, here we go. Am I sitting on something rubbery? Let's hope so. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3. So I didn't get electrocuted, but I don't trust it to actually use it. But yeah, the whole point in wanting to have this is so I can disengage here. It can still stay in the wall, but it wouldn't stress the actual light pad. It's pretty thick, which is nice and sturdy. The measurements are 470 by 350 by 5 millimeters. So it's 5 millimeters thick. Yeah. So I'm excited, but kind of a little bummed. But you guys saw it here first. All those people who already have an A3. I can't wait to try it some more. But that's alright. I got my llamas. I can play with those first. So yeah, so this was just kind of a little haul, a mini haul that I had. I'm going to go ahead and continue on my little bite, which is hiding under here. I have just 2 more colors left, so I hope to finish it tonight. So until next time, you guys have a great one. Check out the descriptions down below if this is something that you would want or research or look into. So until next time, be blessed, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.